head east toward Eldoret, Malaba Road, A104.
Hey, you guy, my guy. What's up? What's up?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Tired.
Oh, fine.
Just fine. Tired.
I'm trying to zoom you in. How do I zoom you out? Let me see.
I don't know what you mean by in and out. As long as you can see me. You can see me.
So where is this place and what are you here to do?
This is Webuye.
Webuye.
Yeah. And this is Total Webuye.
It's Total Webuye.
Yes.
Yes.
And we are doing a setup.
I can't hear.
We are doing a setup here. It's in Webuye Total. The only total on the way if you proceed to the right, we're going to Malaba.
Yeah.
This is generally what we're here to do. JiPOS.
Fantastic. You can see you have a lot of boxes right there. That translates to work. So this is a new restaurant.
You see this? You see this? This is work. This is work. Run everything here, everything works.
Yeah.
Neat and perfect. Work.
So this is the place, right?
Yeah, this is the place.
A new setup that this client is trying to put here. A restaurant.
It's a good restaurant.
Yes.
Restaurant.
Okay, so what do we expect today?
To do the hardware setup, everything run, and do some tests, some slight training. Then tomorrow we finish with the training and to
Mulot.
in Moment County.
Another work is waiting.
Ngoma County.
Another work is waiting in Mulot.
Another work in Mulot.
Alright, we are going to record these videos as we do it, as always, and we show our customers what the process looks like and the reasons they need JiPOS.
Yeah.
Good.
So if you see us study this, this is just one tool.
Yeah.
You never leave it behind. And apply kit some just in case.
Toolbox.
Yeah, just in case.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, so that is how everything started. We got to the site around 11 a.m. of course after traveling, and this is where everything began. We started our journey or recording this journey in Eldoret town, Uasin Gishu County. Yeah, so it is still early in the morning. Of course, we had to start our trip early in the morning. We came and slept here in Eldoret so that we can reach Bungoma early, still feeling fresh. Of course, it's just a 2 hours drive. And then what we found out is that Eldoret is such a busy town. It is still in the morning, and you can see just how activities are going. People are just rushing to their destinations of work. And it's a quiet, no, not really a quiet, but just a bustling town like any other town in Kenya. And of course, what I realized also is that Eldoret doesn't have so many high-rise buildings. I think they just like keeping it low key, if that is the word. Yeah, but to my surprise, I didn't see roadside, nicely maintained roadside pathways or walkways where people can run or jog for the access. Of course, you know, Eldoret is known for the marathon. Uasin Gishu is known for the champions. Yeah, those athletes. But then there is no really much sign of athletics in Eldoret town. I'm yet to explore it whole, but so far that is what I saw. So far, that was what we saw. If any case you have got some pictures, videos of an opposite of what we are saying here about Eldoret, please feel free to share the links in our comment section below. Yeah, so once again, it is another day. We are going to install JiPOS in Webuye, just as you've seen in our introductory clip. And this is going to be a very unique setup. Of course, one that we have handled, which is a local area network kind of a setup, whereby the system will not be accessed online, but it will be accessed within the business premise, of course, through the several computers that we have carried on our trunk, and we are going to install or put there. And these computers, just one will be running the software, and then the others will be pulling the information or pulling the software from that main computer. So the main computer acts as a server, and then these other ones read from that main computer. Of course, this, for you to have this happen or run smoothly in your shop or in your business, you must have a strong networking people in your premise, those who are there to install the networks or to set up your local area network. We don't do that, but we just come and work with them. Once we put our system or our software in one computer, we tell them that we need these other computers to read this software. They know how to do that. Magic happens. Yeah, so Bungoma is 2 hours drive from Eldoret, and the road is very, very scenic. Yeah, this side of the country is quite scenic, quite green, and of course quite active and very fertile. But something again, it's a bit hot, very hot during daytime sometimes, especially this time that we have gone there. It was a little bit hot, but could be that is how the weather changes when it comes to this time of the year. But generally, the place is good, the place is calm, the place is fertile, green, and very scenic. Yeah, stay put and see how we do this. Just want to show you that this is real. JiPOS is real, and we are in Webuye Total. Let me just tilt my camera. This one. That is Total Webuye, and this is the restaurant. This one here. So we can just take our way in, just to show you how this happens, how this goes. The setup, restaurant setup. Of course, it will be active the next day, which is tomorrow, Saturday. Yeah, bro, what's up? Good morning. I'm confused, what is happening?
Just trying to install some distribution of Microsoft.
Okay.
Because the Windows is not updated, so for us to run the server, it's some distribution.
Okay. This is going to be this local area network setup.
This is a local area setup.
Is it what you prefer over the virtual server?
Always I prefer virtual.
Okay.
Unless there's demand for a local area network.
Ini kuach mang'eny. Leopard, as fast as leopard. No. Aje.
Fresh.
Imeweza?
Imeweza.
Sasa. So next nini? Ile printer ya kule?
Kwa zote.
Kwa fine. Na nini? Set printing board.
Ati?
Inaitwa printing.
KOT.
Yeah.
Kwa sawa.
Kwa sawa. So tuwaite hao tuanze.
Kila kitu iko sawa, unaweza kujaribu hapo.
Fine.
Kimbilie huko, angalie kama inatoa KOT huko, yaani chukua KOT huko. So, what do you want?
Let me see that KOT first.
Iko sawa kabisa.
Very good. Very good. I want to test another one.
Iko sawa.
Nataka. Wait. So what we are doing, we want the bill to come out here while the captain order is coming out from the kitchen.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so that is what I was setting.
Oh,
Yeah.
perfect.
So I'll just come here, log in to any of the computer. There's a way to disable this.
The pop-up of saving option.
Yeah, so
Saving
just
option.
come to Firefox settings and just manage more settings. Let me just type there. Just type password. Okay, this keyboard is a little bit small. This is Windows 11 anyway.
Windows 11.
Password. So you manage passwords. Don't ask.
Good.
Then that is it. So if I log out, if I log out, log in, I'll not be prompted about the password. So I can just do one save, another one. I can go to fish corner and take another one. So there's that one, you'll allow. Yeah, so I'll repeat because that wasn't allowed.
Okay.
This, so I'll take one here, go to burger, take one burger, choma zone, take one choma. Then
Very good. Now, the captain order or the
I
coyote?
can find it in the kitchen.
Let's see. This thing is real and real time. Let's go to the kitchen and find out. Here we go.
Imeingia.
Iko sawa kabisa.
Eh?
Iko sawa kabisa.
Iko sawa.
Sawa kabisa.
Sasa okay. It is a customer with the table.
So, this is what this is the bill. We call it the bill. What is taken to the customer once you make an order. But then we want this same communication to be sent to the kitchen,
To the kitchen.
so that the chef can be able to prepare this meal.
Okay.
You get? So, this one we don't want waiters to be carrying them around, coming here and giving them the chef. We just want that if the waiters make an order from that side,
Anakuja tu
anakuja
anangoja
tu
tu hapo.
anangoja tu hapo.
Okay, si ati anaambia tu
Fanya
fanya hii.
hii.
Okay.
So that is why this is very important. So waiter kisha make tu hii order pale, hii ina automatically ina print hapa kwa kitchen. So chef kazi yake tu ni kuangalia kama kuna kitu ime print. Yeah.
Oh, chef ni kuangalia tu.
Yes.
Alafu anatengeneza hii.
Yeah, anatengeneza hapo.
Yeah.
Food ikisha kuwa ready, anaweka pale.
Sasa atajua ni order ya nani kama mtu amerevoke the order.
Utaona hapa jina ya mwenye amemeki order kama hapa. Yeah, kama hii
Jina ya customer.
No. Hii ni jina ya waiter.
Jina ya waiter.
Yeah, jina ya waiter.
Okay.
Yeah. So waiter naye anajua. Unajua waiter anajua mtu mwenye ameitisha order kama hii. Yeah. So but hapa hii we call it a captain order. Hii captain order ikishafika hapa, chef anatengeneza hiyo food. Ikiwa ready, si ataita tu waiter and the food is ready.
How quickly is this process?
Like
If you have so many people there, they need to queue.
Very fast. It's very fast. In a matter of seconds, you're done.
Oh,
very fast.
You only go and choose.
Yeah.
Burger, nini.
Yes.
Imekuja huko.
Very fast. Within a second.
In fact, it is fast.
Yeah. So
Sasa hizi ni order ya
yeah, so hizi ni test.
cook.
Yeah. Hiyo ni real time. And this is the training session with the waiters. Those who will be placing orders in the system. Of course, customer orders. And the training of waiters is very simple. It normally takes 15 minutes because JiPOS is quite easy, very easy to understand and use. Yeah, so normally this is the simplest training, and we normally do just 2 hours overall training. That is from point A to point Z. Now, how to use JiPOS. Yeah, just 2 hours is enough always, because you don't have to have any technical ability or technical skills to operate JiPOS. As long as you know how to work with Word and Excel, you're good to go. Totally good to go. As you can see here, the waiters are now just interacting with the system on their own. It is always a practice after the training to give them time to interact with the system and get used to it. Yeah. So that session is done, and it's just a matter of testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 3 4 and 2 3 4.
What's up?
Kochonjo, you look fresh and well energized. Tell us how was the day going?
That's good.
It is almost 8. Now it is 7.
Yeah, it's 7:30. 7:30. I think we're done here.
Yeah.
This particular setup, and this is Webuye Total Petrol Station. So whenever you're on your way to, how is it called? Bungoma from.
When you are going to Pungoma.
Yeah, you call it Bungoma town. Yeah. So you can pass by Total here, just next to the library, opposite the library.
Yeah.
There were people standing. So the time and pass by, see what is happening here, get the stuff, see how it goes works with them. So a nice setup, a good setup, attention to details.
Nice. Tell me, how was the training, like in one sentence, with the staff?
Yeah, that was good. These are local setups, so it took us some time to do the local setup because of there was a network problem, the switches weren't working well. So we had to work with the network person on ground to have that sorted, then put the system. The training took just about 3 hours,
Okay.
and we're done in a day.
Nice.
So we have got good, let's say, good students.
They're good students.
Good students.
So local setup and virtual setup. So far, based on this experience?
For this particular experience and this particular setup, I'll advise for a local setup. Works best, we announced everything, just works fine.
So what is a local setup for many people who don't understand?
Local setup, you take the system and put it in your server. In a secure and protected server.
And if somebody doesn't have a local server?
If you don't have a local server, we give you virtual servers, so you'll have to host the system with your virtual. So there is no shortcut to host it. It's either on your local server or on virtual servers. Bottom line, the server should be up and running, secure, robust, and of course very fast. So don't want to avoid the downtime so far.
Nice, nice. Any word for our viewers?
If JiPOS all the way.
JiPOS all the way.
all the way. JiPOS here, JiPOS here. So far.
Nice. Then I think that's it. Till next time, or till next video.
Next time, JiPOS.